Welcome to our journey through the timeless wisdom of the Buddha. Why did the Blessed One speak about suffering, and what is the connection between the mind, happiness, and our reality? By the end of this discourse, you may perceive the world with new eyes. Let us delve deeply into this inquiry. The mind is everything. What you think, you become. Our thoughts shape our reality. By mastering our thoughts, we can influence our actions and, by extension, our destiny. We are shaped by our thoughts. We become what we think. When the mind is pure, joy follows like a shadow that never leaves. Our thoughts create our reality. A mind that is clear and positive brings joy not only to oneself, but also to the world around us. Do not dwell in the past. Do not dream of the future. Concentrate the mind on the present moment. The present moment is all we truly possess. By focusing on it, we can experience life fully and avoid the suffering that arises from attachment to what was or anxiety about what will be. There is no path to happiness. Happiness is the path. Happiness is not a destination, but a way of life. Seeking it outside ourselves is futile. It is found in the journey itself. Peace comes from within. Do not seek it without. True peace is not found in external circumstances. It is an inner state attainable through understanding and mastering one's own mind and emotions. In the end, only three things matter: how much you loved, how gently you lived, and how gracefully you let go of things not meant for you. The essence of life lies in love, gentleness, and acceptance. Possessions, status, and even relationships are transient. It is how we navigate these impermanent aspects that define our path. Holding on to anger is like grasping a hot coal with the intent of throwing it at someone else. You are the one who gets burned. Anger harms the one who harbors it first and foremost. Letting go of anger brings peace to oneself, benefiting all beings. Pain is certain, suffering is optional. Pain is an inevitable part of life, but suffering is a choice. Our reactions and interpretations determine our experience. A jug fills drop by drop. Progress is often slow and gradual. Persistence and patience are the keys to eventual success. Every morning we are born again. What we do today is what matters most. Each day is a new opportunity. Past mistakes or achievements do not define us. Our actions today are what truly matter. It is better to conquer yourself than to win 1,000 battles. Victories over others may bring fleeting glory, but self-mastery brings enduring peace and a life free from regret. You will not be punished for your anger. You will be punished by your anger. The true cost of anger is the damage it does to our own well-being long before it affects anyone else. To keep the body in good health is a duty. Otherwise, we shall not be able to keep our mind strong and clear. Physical health and mental clarity are deeply interconnected. One supports the other in our quest for well-being. Health is the greatest gift, contentment the greatest wealth, faithfulness the best relationship. True wealth is not material. It is found in good health, a content heart, and genuine relationships. However many holy words you read, however many you speak, what good will they do if you do not act upon them? Knowledge without action is sterile. True wisdom is in applying what we learn to our daily lives. Better than 1,000 hollow words is one word that brings peace. Quality outweighs quantity. A single genuine and peaceful word can have more impact than endless empty chatter. The root of suffering is attachment. Clinging to transient things or longing for those possessions we lack leads inevitably to suffering, for nothing is permanent. Your work is to discover your world and then with all your heart give yourself to it. Finding our purpose and then dedicating ourselves fully to it brings fulfillment and meaning to life. To understand everything is to forgive everything. With deep understanding comes compassion, and with compassion comes the ability to forgive, bringing peace to one's heart. If you truly loved yourself, you could never hurt another. When we cultivate love and understanding within, it naturally radiates outwards, making it nearly impossible to harm others intentionally. There is nothing so disobedient as an undisciplined mind, and there is nothing so obedient as a disciplined mind. A disciplined mind leads to freedom, while an undisciplined one can be our own worst enemy, leading to chaos and suffering. The way is not in the sky. The way is in the heart. Spiritual and moral guidance are not external but lie within our very hearts, waiting to be discovered. It is a man's own mind, not his enemy or foe, that lures him to evil ways. The true battle is internal. It is our thoughts and desires that lead us astray, not external forces. The darkest night is ignored by the coming dawn. No matter how bleak things seem, hope and change are always on the horizon. Every hardship has its end. You cannot travel the path until you have become the path itself. Authenticity and embodiment of principles are crucial. We must live the truths that we seek. The tongue, like a sharp knife, kills without drawing blood. Words hold immense power. They can wound deeper than physical injuries, so we must wield them with care. Happiness will never come to those who fail to appreciate what they already have. Gratitude is the foundation for joy. Recognizing and valuing our current blessings is key to true contentment. There are only two mistakes one can make along the road to truth: not going all the way and not starting. The pursuit of truth requires commitment. Beginning the journey is crucial, but so is the dedication to see it through. What you are is what you have been. What you will be is what you do now. Our past has shaped us, but our present actions define our future. It is in the now that we hold the power to change. If you light a lamp for somebody, it will also brighten your path. Helping others not only benefits them, but also enriches our own lives, illuminating our own journey. Thank you for joining us on this voyage through the Buddha's wisdom. May these insights guide your path, foster deeper understanding, and inspire a life of peace and purpose. Remember, the journey inward is the most profound journey of all.